Oh, this mommy and Papa Pig with the children. Hello, look at this, mommy, Papa. The one car is come. Oh my God, it's a big dino egg. Yeah, mommy, we want to buy a big dino egg. Oh, is correct. Let's go to market to buy this big dino egg. Yes, mommy, the car has arrived. Yes, let's board into the car and we go for shopping. Yeah, the daddy is going to board in the car. Oh yeah. Now the baby pig going to board into the car. Oh, very small car. Yeah, let's board into the car. Oh, mommy is coming. Very small space. Oh, it is facing difficulties. Uh oh. Uh oh. Not able to sit. Yeah. Uh oh, we slept down. Okay, let's go. Go for shopping. Beep beep. See you soon, guys.